Scenario history contains information about your scenario runs and changes you've made to that scenario. Let me show you. Scenario history keeps a log of your past scenario executions and any changes you've made to that scenario. Let me show you where to find it. When you're in the scenario list view, you can just click on any scenario and then at the top tab here, click history. You'll see two types of entries here, scenario runs and change logs. Let's start with scenario runs. Each run entry contains the date the scenario ran, the trigger type, the status, whether it was successful, had a warning, or caused an error, how long the scenario took to run, the duration, and finally, how many credits it consumed. Now, to see more details of a specific run, click Details on the right-hand side. This opens up the execution log, and here you can see we can easily click into the module that created an error and identify exactly what the error is. Now, also on the right-hand side here, we have access to two different execution logs, either a simple log, which has the high-level information of each module, or you also have a more advanced log. Now, let me go back to the main history view. You'll also see changelog entries mixed in with your scenario runs. These highlight changes to your scenario, including which user edited it at a given time, and as well whenever the scenario is activated or deactivated. On the top right here in the three dots, you also have a filter. So if you only want to show the checked runs, you can hide the change logs, and vice versa. If you only want to see the change log, you can hide the check runs. And that's how you use scenario history to monitor your scenario runs and track changes.